Are you tired of uncomfortable running shoes that leave your feet aching? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Men's Free Run 2018 Shoes. Let's kick things off with the Men's Free Run 2018 shoes from Nike. Priced at $81.06, this shoe caught my attention with its lightweight design and breathable materials. If you want a shoe that gives your feet the freedom to move naturally, this is worth a serious look. The Flyware technology here is a big deal. It provides a snug fit without adding extra weight, giving you that almost barefoot feel. The structured foam sole means you won't just be running on clouds, you'll have solid traction whether you're hitting the pavement or the park. Plus, the rounded heel helps with a smooth transition as you stride. It's all about making your runs feel effortless. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who loves short, quick runs, this shoe's design allows for a neutral roll, which is perfect for speed. It weighs just 1.6 pounds, making it super light for daily workouts. However, some users mention that the sizing runs a bit small, which could lead to discomfort. Now here's the thing though, if you prefer a snug fit, that might actually work in your favor. This is perfect for you if you're a casual runner looking for something light and breathable. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty support for long distances. At this price point, you're getting a solid value without breaking the bank. Product number 2: Men's Run All Day Running Shoes. Next up are the Men's Run All Day Running Shoes, coming in at $90.49. The first thing that grabbed my attention was how incredibly lightweight these shoes are. If you want a shoe that feels almost weightless, this one's definitely worth your time. These shoes are designed for cushioning, which is essential for those longer runs where fatigue can set in. The materials used give you a soft landing with each step. This means less stress on your joints and a more enjoyable running experience. Plus, the reviews are starting to roll in, and early use shows that folks are loving the comfort. Here's why this matters for you. If you're logging miles and need something that won't wear you down, these might be your go-to. But I'll be real with you. Some people found that the cushioning doesn't hold up as well over time. Now I get it, that can be frustrating. But if you're looking for a shoe primarily for casual runs or workouts, that may not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want that light, airy feel while running. Skip this if you need something built for durability and heavy mileage. For under $100, it's a good investment for fitness enthusiasts on a budget. Product number 3: Men's Nike Free Metcon 5 Sneaker. Now let's talk about the Men's Nike Free Metcon 5 sneaker, priced at $127.09. What caught my eye was its strong build, perfect for those who want to push their limits in both running and training. If you're looking for a sneaker that can handle a variety of workouts, this one's definitely worth a look. The rubber sole provides great grip and stability, which is crucial when you're incorporating strength training into your routine. You want something that won't slip or slide under pressure, right? Plus, this shoe is versatile enough to take you from the treadmill to the weight room without missing a beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're mixing running with other high-intensity workouts, this shoe can handle it all. However, some reviews pointed out that the fit might be a bit narrow for wider feet. Now, I totally understand that could be a deal breaker for some. But if you're used to a more snug fit, this might actually give you the support you need. This is perfect for you if you need a cross-training shoe that can adapt to your varied workouts. Skip this one if you have wider feet, as it might not provide the comfort you expect. The quality is solid for the price, especially for a multi-purpose sneaker. Product number 4: Men's Nike Free RN 5 2021. Coming in at $103.43, the Men's Nike Free RN 5 2021 shoes are next on the list. What really stood out to me was the sock-like inner shoe design. It feels like a warm hug for your feet. If you're after a shoe that molds to your foot, you'll want to check this one out. The breathable upper material is a game changer for those hot summer runs. It allows for maximum airflow, which means you can say goodbye to sweaty feet. Plus, the lightweight cushioning helps keep you agile on your feet. This shoe is designed for flexibility, making it perfect for those who love to switch up their running style. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a shoe that adapts to your movements, this is it. That said, some users mentioned that the sole wears down quicker than they expected. I get that it can be disappointing, especially for long-term use. But if you're primarily using them for shorter runs, this might not be an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a snug, breathable shoe for everyday runs. Skip this one if you're looking for a long-lasting trainer for weekly mileage. With its price, it offers good comfort for casual runners. Product number 5, Men's V5 RNR. Finally, we have the Men's V5 RNR priced at $90.44. I was impressed by the mesh upper with synthetic leather overlays, which gives it a nice blend of breathability and durability. If you want a shoe that stands up to wear while keeping your feet cool, this one's worth checking out. What I really liked is the plush collar lining, which adds extra comfort for those long runs. You won't be feeling that annoying chafing that can ruin your workout. Plus, the rubber outsole with its cool grooves gives it great traction, making sure you stay grounded as you run. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're running on different surfaces, this shoe's design will keep you steady. But here's the issue. Some people felt that the fit was too loose for a secure run. I totally understand that could be frustrating. But if you're someone who prefers a bit more room, this might actually work out in your favor. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a cushy, comfortable fit for varied terrains. Skip this if you prefer a more locked-in feel during your runs. For the price, it's a solid option that balances comfort and performance. To wrap it up, we've covered the men's Free Run 2018 shoes, the Run All Day running shoes, the Free Metcon 5, the Free RN 5 2021, and the V5 RNR. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the men's Free Run 2018 shoes because of their lightweight design and breathability, perfect for casual runners looking for comfort. However, I'd steer clear of the men's Run All Day running shoes if you're after long-lasting support. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.